Please adjust your volume control to the level of my voice.
Catch me if you think you can, you high-booted net-waving fisherman. You know it too, this land is mine. Why else would it thrill your soul to feel me tugging on your line? Here I'm free, the shining silver water hanging over me is all the world I need. An inch your ecstasy arise to break the surface, scan the sky. Rise, rise, till I fall again. Back into the silver water, back into my home, back into the place I call Mullet Country.
I'm bleeding enough to catch. Yeah, let's go. Okay, drive him in.
And that's gill net fishing in Mullet Country. Mullet Country is multi-million-dollar resort hotels parading along sandy Florida beaches. It's picturesque St. Augustine, where the great ornithologist and painter John Audubon reported schools of mullets so dense they slowed his boat. Mullet Country is the Everglades, that great grassy sea, land of the proud Seminole Indians. The Seminoles taught the early settlers that mullet is a fine Florida food fish. Mullet Country is in truth a world of water, and so a world of fishing and fishermen. A single throw to feed the family and friends. That's a skillful cast net fisherman. Or a lucky one. And it's a lucky sport fisherman who hooks the mighty tarpon in Mullet Country. The mullet has a long and distinguished history, intermingled with the culture of many lands. Tarpon Springs and sponge divers are part of the Greek culture that exists today in Mullet Country. Historically, the mullet was an important food fish in the Greek diet. The ancient Romans recognized mullet as a seafood delicacy. The Egyptians, too, cultivated mullet in the overflow deltas of the Nile. In the South Seas, mullet culture is still practiced in fish ponds throughout the islands. Mullet feed mainly on minute plants and animals, and so they usually will not bite at a baited hook. At home in salt or fresh water, they can jump with great vigor and multiply at a fantastic rate.
Sea Queen to spot a plane. Giff, which way they headed?
They're behind you, Skipper. Heading your way. Come on back.
Roger, Giff. Okay, we'll make our set now.
The set is made, closing off the fish. The fishermen haul the net to concentrate the catch. Plenty of ice as they come out of the water. That'll keep their sea fresh flavor. And that's beach seine fishing in Mullet Country. Mullet is processed to be marketed in many forms: iced, frozen, smoked. It is canned under United States government supervision. Variety to suit every taste, and your favorite market should have mullet. Inexpensive, easy to prepare, ask for it. Whether you call them fillets or fillets, oven-fried mullet is delicious, nutritious, and children make no bones about it. smoked mullet is a real change of taste for a Mullet Country beach party or a backyard cookout. Mullet helps create distinctive, delightfully different hors d'oeuvres for a fashionable gathering.
It doesn't take me quite as much time. It took me 4 months.
Do you have mullet in France?
Oh yes, we do. They come in the Mediterranean, and they are a delicacy. We use them all the time in the bouillabaisse.
Good.
Actually, mullet and avocado.
Mullet and avocado.
Yes.
Very good.
Lisa? Yes, Lisa is a Spanish name. It's a Spanish name.
I think it was canned mullet. I don't know if it was smoked or not, but it was delicious. However they fixed it.
And mullet is found in the most cosmopolitan surroundings, on the menus of fine restaurants. What seafood fancier could resist the superb flavor of mullet almondine? With the increasing popularity of mullet, modern equipment and more efficient fishing methods are being used, such as purse seining. More mullet are landed in Florida than any other state. Florida is truly mullet country.
I've seen the sun on the surface and run deep along the splashing shores of every land. You'll see me there no matter where, my silver body flashing as I rise, catching rays from the sun. Here I'm free, the shining silver water hanging over me is all the world I need. And in sheer ecstasy I rise to break the surface, scan the sky, rise, rise till I fall again, back into the silver water, back into my home, back into the place I call Mullet Country. Neon lights flashing bright, shining down while children play on golden sand. You've seen it now, this is my land. Come with me, have fun with me, I'm down here again.